neighbors. He has no partner, no children, no parents, everyone like him. And peace and salvation may be upon our great messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And his household, his companion, and who serve in Allah's religion Islam. In this happiness day, I am representing my friend, the candidate of Alumni Day Jumaah Amal, for the same thankful God who has given us the opportunity for completing our study in Daya Jumaah Amal. Daya Jumaah Amal. Jumaah Amal is the best teacher for us. Jumaah Amal has taught us what the meaning of ukhuwah. Jumaah Amal has taught us what the meaning of togetherness. And Jumaah Amal has taught us what the meaning of simplicity. It's all we couldn't get except here. Unity can we get without the God-defined degree and the sincerity of our parents who have allowed us for being educated here. 10 billion rupiah they have paid for our financial school. Although sometimes we were lazy in study. Father, Mother, thank you so much for everything you have done for us. We will promise we will do the best for you all. Today, on Sunday, at 30th of May 2010, we will meet our parents. 3 and 6 years ago, we have been equipped by our Ustad and Ustazah. This is I will tell you a little story or a little activity when we have been in Daya Jumaah Amal. Every early morning, they get up us by the voice, get up, and everybody say, Malam takbir, kumna, kumna. That is always we listening every morning. Although sometimes they feel annoyed because we didn't get up, but they with us patiently until we get up all. Every day, they give us advice for being us the success human in the world and the akhirat. Although sometimes their advice we don't get it, but especially thank you so much Ustad and Ustazah because your advice we will be a success human in the world and the akhirat. Thanks to all workers in Daya Jumaah Amal, especially for everything you have given us. In the last of my speech, I want to say one statement. This statement to always our director Daya Jumaah Amal always say in every graduation ceremony. As then the president of America say this statement is, don't ever ask what Jumaah Amal has given to you, but you have to ask what you have given to Daya Jumaah Amal. From this statement, we are the candidate of Alumni Daya Jumaah Amal 2009 and 2010. We will promise we will do the best always for Daya Jumaah Amal. Jumaah Amal is always in our heart and our praying. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. I think that is my speech today. I beg your pardon. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Fil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasula. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Karim, a'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal 'ashri innal insana lafi khusrin illa alladhina amanu wa 'amilus solihati wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr. Shadaqallahu alazim. في هذه المناسبة الشريفة حيا نشكر الله عز وجل الذي قد أعطانا نعما كثيرة حتى لا استطعنا أن نجتمع في هذا المكان المبارك. صلاة وسلاما دائمين ملازمين على رسوله الكريم هو الذي أخرج الناس من الظلمات إلى النور وهو الذي هدانا إلى صراط مستقيم. Fadilatu Naibus Sultan lil Aceh, Fadilatu Raisul Mantikiyah wa Naibul Raisil Mantikiyah lil Pidijaya, Fadilatu Mudiru Ma'hadi Jumal Amal, Fadilatu Nadirul Madrasatil Aliyah wa Thanawiyah, wa Fadilatu Jami'ul Asatid wal Asatizat, wa Fadilatu ila jami'il mad'awina wal mad'awat alladhi hadaru fi hadha makanil mubarak. Ikhwanil muslimil muhtaramun, biiznillah ta'ala nahnu al-an sanakunu mukharrijan fi ma'hadi Jumal Amal ba'da an qad ta'allamna 6 sanawat, fa idza wajadtum minna al-khataya wal khilaf qit'atan katsira atlubu min al-asatid wat talabah min as-sanati al-ula hatta as-sanati al-khamisah al-'afizat alladhi qad 'allamana ma lam na'lam hatta nastati'a an nufarriqa ta'ziman wa ikraman aydan ila jami'i abaina wa ummahatina alladhi yaqumu bi tarbiyatina mundu as-sighar ila kibarina al-an wa arsalana ila hadha al-ma'hadi Jumal Amal lit-ta'allum uluman nafi'an li hayatina al-mustaqbilah. Ikhwanil muslimil mahbubin, fi hadhihi al-munasabati asy-syarifah nahnu minal mukharrijin nuridu an nuwasiya ila jami'i at-talabah li ma'hadi Jumal Amal ay yata'allamu wa yata'allamu fi hadha al-ma'hadi Jumal Amal ta'alluman wala siyama lughataini, imma lughatul arabiyyah wa imma lughatul injiliziyah, lianna hadani lughataini muhimmun fi hadzal qurun li bina'il hadara wa thaqafatil islamiyyah. Bil lughatil arabiyyah nastati'u an naquma bi istinbatil ahkam asy-syar'iyyah wa kadha bil lughatil injiliziyyah nastati'u an na'rifa mawaqi'al 'alamin. Ayyuhal asdiqa minal mukharrijin,